Zhejiang Headway Communication Equipment Company Limited is a professional manufacturer which integrates with R&D, manufacturing and sales and network cabling, use optical communication devices and complementary products. Headway uses a set of strict quality assurance system and obtained the international ISO 9001 Quality System Certification, ISO 14001 Environment System Certification, and OHSAS 18001 Health and Safety System Certification. In recent years, the company has brought in automatic production lines and advanced detection equipment from Western Europe. With the powerful strength of science and technology, modern management, high quality of products, and honest enterprise spirit, Headway has won the trust of Chinese clients in broadcasting and telecommunications industry. Headway has a professional research team with a great working structure and strong technical ability. It commits to the development and application of the latest optical communication technology. The pioneering marketing team develop close contact with customers, meet customers' various requirements, and provides the enthusiastic after-sales service. The company's products can be found all over the globe with good feedback and strong brand reputation from customers' regions in Europe, North and South America, Southeast Asia, Central Asia, and Australia. The objectives of the company are focusing on customer requirements, maintaining high integrity, scientifically management, and pursue quality product. We are constantly improving our products and systems, as well as optimizing our internal processes. Hope you join us.